Khnang banweng ya ka jingyakan at ka barang yai beteng hapadeng ki karbi bat ki khasi panar hakathan khaput namar ka khardop lum khajna kabala penyeng da ka karbi anglong autonomous council ki EEC ha Khanduli nakalyang ki chairman ki regional committee ka Assam bat Meghalaya kin penlong ka jinglet jurip shakashnong Khanduli West Jainti Hills district hadien ka jingrakhe ya kasngi Independence Day. Yakani la pentip da Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya u Konrad ki sangma habakran sya kilat pathai khubor hayalong menta kasngi palei. Nakalyang u Chief Minister ula pedang ba kani ka khardap lum khajana kadang don hadu menta hapo Khanduli Henry kamshem ladan shu ka jinglum khajana. U Chief Minister ula ongru ba kadan khendiat ka jingklumar jingmut hapadeng ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ka Sorkar Assam bat mangi ha ka bayadei bat ka jaka badan kate ka khardop lum khajana ki chairman jongki R regional committees ka Assam bat Meghalaya kin penlong ka jinglet jurip sha Khanduli khnang ban weng ya ka ni ka jing artatien khnang ban la ban wanra apat ya ka jingsuk hakithan Khanduli ong u Chief Minister ka jilla nalor kata usangma ula ongru ba ha ka jingshisha nakalyang u Chief Minister ka Assam bat ka Meghalaya kidan ya ka jingthmu banlet jurip sha Khanduli Henry namar ka jingkhem jongkapor na baro arlyang kumta kimla ban penbet ya ka tarik na ka benta kani ka jinglet jurip bat kumta kilashania haki chairman ka regional committee bakin let jurip sha Khanduli.
We were supposed to meet, but because of different situations in both sides, which had not much to do with Khanduli as such. Sometimes it was at a personal level, which with the Assam CM side, sometimes personal level at my side, sometimes the official programs is his side or my side, because of which the exact dates could not be finalized, and then now we have Independence Day also coming in. And hence we have postponed it till the point where both of us are able to give an appropriate date. But since we are not able to go and there are some issues that need to be resolved, both of us have requested our regional committee chairmen to visit. So we expect that post the 15th of August, the chairmen of the respective regional committees from both sides will be visiting. The exact dates have not been fixed, but tentatively immediately after the 15th of August. So it could be 16th, 17th, 18th. Also, the two chairmen of the regional committees from the two states will be visiting Khanduli, and they will work towards resolving some of the slightly sensitive issues that are going on right now. As far as our knowledge goes, that the respective that location, the tax collection is as such is not happening anymore, but the gate is still there, and there is a bit of confusion between Assam government from the Karbi Autonomous District Council and the Assam state government and us, and that is the reason why the two chairmen are going there to resolve this issue and whatever the confusion that is there, to sort out those confusions so that we can have peace in the region again.